How to log in into Esmart Tax account. Hello everyone, this is Lisa from Create Login and Delete. Now let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Now type in Esmart Tax Login and search for it. With that, different website links will appear. Go ahead and click on this one website option, libertytax.com. Open it. With that, you will be directed to the official website of Esmart Tax. Now from here, you are able to log into your account. Scroll down. Now over here you will find different subscription plan as basic, deluxe and premium. Now head towards the option that you want to log in for. All you have to do is click on the option of start now. I have selected premium one. You will land to create an account page. Now over here you will find this option of sign in now. Click on it. With that you will land to the login page. Esmart Tax is owned by Liberty Tax. Even though Liberty has its own online filing software, it may be better known for its in-person services and offers this online-only platform as well. Esmart provides DIY e-filing options for filers who don't need professional tax support. Now to log into your account, you have to fill this. Provide these credentials. Firstly, type in your username and then type in your password. In the case you have issue logging into your account, click on this option, need help signing in. With that, your problem will be fixed. Once you fill this, click on the option of sign in, and with that, you will be logged into your account. In the case you haven't created your account yet, you can click on this option, sign up now and register for your account. So that's all for this video. This is how you can easily log in into Esmart Tax account. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.